Assalamu alaikum friends. Today's video is all about watercolor drawing, portrait drawing. In this video I will show you how to make very easy portrait of a wrestler John Cena. It is my first ever portrait of a huge celebrity and it takes a lot of time, approximately 4 hours, but I will try my best to describe my experience and helpful pieces of advice for you people while making a portrait in watercolor. So watch this video complete without skipping so you people cannot miss any information and techniques. And here are the key points which we will discuss. But before this, if you never subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe so we can move on. And these 6 points are: 1 point is determination, and on the second number is observation, and third is concentration, fourth one is patience, fifth is focus, and sixth one is never force yourself, leave your work when you're tired. When you decided to make any piece of art, first you have to observe this reference which you are going to make. It's for beginners. Observe this reference which you are going to make with complete concentration. Then start your work, and believe me, you need a lot of patience, because when you want to make it quickly, it will destroy, it will ruin. Focus on your task and slowly and steadily but gradually works on it. And please stop your work when you feel tired, because art is all about moods and love. When you feel tired, you can't do it properly. When you select anything which you want to make, observe its color, its structure, draw it carefully but without any fear. Never fear, do it again and again until you reach the actual thing. Then start coloring. Observe the darkest color in the whole pic. Keep in mind the light, medium light, dark and darkest points. Lines makes expressions, so be careful while drawing facial lines, eye position, and believe me, it's not difficult. Yes, you can draw the picture of your favorite celebrity, your parents, your kids, and whatever you want. As you can see that the color of John Cena is very much fair, therefore we have to use light colors and pink colors and light skin colors, and his eyes are sky blue color, and never use black color for hair, or never use black color directly on the painting. Use brown color, dark brown color for hair, for eyebrows, and for shading I use light brown color. And also keep in mind the position of light, and there is a great light on hair, forehead, especially T area, cheeks, chin, nose, and neck also. So these areas should be white. So for today, it's enough. We will meet in our next video. Hope you like it, and please subscribe and leave sweet comment below. Goodbye.